Hello, next formulas for internal wind. First formula, Zhen, Gan, Shi, Feng, Tang. Zhen, Gan, Shi, Feng, Tang. Shi, Feng means release, extinguish internal wind. And Gan, Shen, Gan means sedate the liver, liver yang. So sedate the liver yang, extinguish wind. That means release, extinguish liver yang, liver wind. So that is the indication of this formula. And next formula is Tian Ma Go Ting In. Tian Ma Go Ting In. And Tian Ma is the herb release wind. And Go Teng is the herb release liver heat. So similar, release liver heat and yang decoction. So Tian Ma Go Teng In and Zhen Gan Shi Feng Tang. Let's talk about Zhen Gan Shi Feng Tang first. So let's check the herbs inside first. Nishu, Bai Shao, both of them invigorate blood. Especially Bai Shao nourish the blood, liver blood. And Nishu in this case work as inducing the effect of herbs to downward. So Nishu goes downward. Bai Shao nourish blood and soften the liver too. And Jie, this is a magnet and calms liver. And anchor yang, so release liver yang. And Muli also anchor yang, so liver yang. And Longu also anchor yang. So anchoring yang is the main strategy for this formula. Anchor yang and anchor yang. So these three formulas, magnet, Muli, and Longu. And Guipan, tonify kidney and cools blood and tonify kidney in. And Tian Mendong also nourish kidney in. And Bai Shao nourish liver in. And also Shanshan clears it and also nourish in. So these four herbs for nourish in. And there are some herbs go to liver. First, Enchen. Enchen release damp heat, especially in liver, so it treats jaundice. Enchen. And Chanyanji is a strong herb regulating qi, especially liver. So Enchen and Chanyanji treat liver. And Maya helps the digestion, and Ganjiao harmonize all the herbs. And let's check this too. Nishu goes downward. Draw all the other friends here to the downward. So please check this diagram. So Nishi is a guiding herb to downward. And Jeshi, magnet, Muli and Longu, those are paired herb. Calm Shen and subside and suppress uprising yang qi to downward. So calm Shens. And Inchen Chanyan Qi goes to liver directly. And these four herbs, Guipen and Shanshan and Baishao Tiandong nourish. And also clear empty heat. And Ganjiao Mayao. This is a composition of Zhen Gan Shi Feng Tang. And let's see the actions. Nourish the yin and anchor yang and sedate liver wind. So anchor yang and sedate liver wind. These are our primary goal. So it is used for stroke, prevention of stroke, and transient ischemic attack, and post-stroke. So when the patient have the uprising feeling, especially around their nape of the neck, and headache, it can be used. So high blood pressure, dizziness, pain in the head, irritability. And liver yang raising is actually based on liver kidney insufficiency. So liver yang is the sign of excessive, but basically it is rooted on insufficiency. So dizziness, tinnitus, and vertigo, those can be the coexisting symptoms. Pulse, wiry, excessive, and tongue might be stiff because of wind, and red because of heat. And wiry and forceful, but it can be weak too, but mostly wiry. This is for liver yang raising. So contraindication, hypertension by without excessive signs. So this is not suitable formula for deficiency condition. And next formula, Tianma, Teng. Tianma and Teng. Tianma release wind, Teng clears liver heat. So let's check the herbs inside. So Tianma, calmed liver, extinguish wind. So Tianma is commonly used for headache, and Teng calms liver, and Shijuming calms liver too, calms liver and anchor yang. So they are similar herbs, Teng and Shijuming. And Tianma is more commonly used for releasing wind for headache, like Bansha Baiju Tianma Tang. And there are herbs clearing heat, Qi Qi, Huang Qin. So this is the herb has a clearing heat property. So Qi Qi and Huang Qin. And there are herbs invigorate blood, Ni Shi and Imu Chao. Imu Chao also clears heat. Imu Chao clear heat toxin. So let's classify this herb with Ye Jiao Teng, also calm shen. Calm down, subside. And Fu Shen, also calm shen. Here Du Zhong tonifies kidney. And Sang Chi Sang also tonifies kidney. Sang Chi Sang also clear wind too. So let's see the diagram here. So Nü Xu is the same herb with Zhen, Shefeng Tang, guide the herbs. And Shi Juming, Teng, Tianma, all expel wind and subside liver yang. And Fu Shen and Ye Jiao Teng calm sheds. Not like Zhen, Shefeng Tang, it has very strong herbs to clear heat. Qi Qi, Huang Qin, Imu Chao. On the base, it tonifies kidney and strengthens sinew and bones. So this is underlying condition. Kidney deficiency. And they have a very similar structure. Go downward and suppress uprising yang, but this formula has a strong function of clearing heat. And those formulas, Zhen, Shefeng Tang and Tianma Teng, those are relatively new formulas. Both of them first listed in TCM book, 20th century. Action, calm liver yang, same calm liver yang. And also clear heat. So this is the specific aspect of this Tianma Teng. So all the liver yang raising symptoms with excess. And this formula also rooted in the liver deficiency or kidney deficiency. It has tinnitus and blood vision, those deficient symptoms too. Actually, liver wind is based on deficiency. But I told you this is for excessive, but rooted in deficiency. So contraindicated for severe indeficiency. So basically this is for excessive condition. Tongue red, heat, and scanty tongue coating. So not much of in or dampness. So comparison, Tianma Teng, Zhen, Shefeng Tang. So Tianma Teng, clearing heat. This is the important part. And Zhen, Shefeng Tang, it tonifies, especially in with Guipan. And clear heat, Huangqin, Qi. And both of them treat liver yang raising, internal wind. Tian more sedate. And Zhen Tang, a little bit more tonified, but both of them are for excessive condition. Please remember, both of them treat excessive condition, liver yang. Okay, we just finished 6 expelling wind formulas. Chanxiong Cha Tiaoshan, expel wind and treat headache. Chang'er Jishan, expel wind, treat nasal blockage. Xiao Hollow Dan, treat bee syndrome due to coldness. And Xiao Fengshan, treat skin disease with heat, damp, and wind signs. And Zhen Tang and Tian treat liver yang raising, and both treat headache, hypertension by liver yang raising. Tian has more clearing heat property. Thank you very much. See you later.